Welcome to Wondertales. Up, way above the tallest mountains, there's a secret place in the sky. It's called the Cloud Factory. Inside, tiny, misty workers called pufflings zip around in steam-powered suits. Puff, hiss, swish, gears turn and water droplets dance in the air. Add warm air, calls one puffling. Bring in water vapor, says another. They mix heat and vapor together like a magical recipe. And then, poof! Out comes a soft, puffy cloud, floating out the big silver pipes into the sky. Some clouds are small and fluffy, called cumulus, perfect for sunny days. Some are long and gray, stratus, made for misty mornings. And some are tall and dark, cumulonimbus, ready to rumble with thunder and rain. The Cloud Factory works day and night. In the cold room, pufflings make snowy clouds. And in the gentle room, they create sunset clouds, painted with orange and pink. One little puffling named Pip asks, "Can I make a happy cloud today?" The others cheer, "Let's make one that looks like a dinosaur." They giggle as it floats by a rainbow. What shape do you see in the clouds today? Thanks for floating through the skies with us and how clouds are made. Keep dreaming, keep wondering, and never stop looking up. See you in the next story.